Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss serve food orders. The following skills and knowledge shall be the focus of this module. Number 1, master the names and pronunciation of the dishes in the menu. Serve food selections promptly from service areas. Check food orders for presentation and appropriate garnish and accomplishments. Serve food orders to the guest. Serve food orders clear with minimal distractions to other guests and in accordance to hygienic requirements. Serve food orders in accordance with the enterprise serving style standards. Mention the name of the dish or order upon serving the guest. Monitor sequence of service and meal delivery in accordance with enterprise procedures. Now, what is service? Service describes the manner and method by which food is served to guests in food service operations. There are many types of service, for which one is the French service. So what is French service? French service is a formal type of service originated from European nobility and presently enjoyed by a few who can afford the time and expenses of meals served in this manner. So, ano yung lagi kong tinatanong sa inyo na root word or root phrase ng French service? It is formal type and what else? Enjoyed by a few who can afford the time and expenses of meals. Diba? Mahal daw ang French service. Para sa mga mayayaman, ganyan, nakaka-afford. Okay, so bakit kaya mahal? Eto na. Kasi, ang French services employees ay 2 waiters cooking together to serve the meal. 2 daw. Ang una ay si chef de rang. Si chef de rang ay hindi chef, kundi waiter. So, chef de rang seats the guest when a captain is not present, takes the order, serves the drink, prepares some of the food with flourish at the guest's table, and presents the check for payment. Yan ang trabaho ni chef de rang. Pangalawang waiter, siya naman si commis de rang or assistant. That is read as commis, silent S. So, si commis de rang takes the order from the chef de rang to the kitchen, picks up the food and carries it to the dining room, serve the plate as dished by the chef de rang, clears the dishes, ready to assist when necessary. Okay? If you have questions about our lessons, you may chat them in our group chat and I will answer them one by one. Next. Sino pa yung mga ibang waiter ng French service? A captain waiter to seat the guest and a wine steward to serve wine. So, iba pa yung taga-serve, iba pa yung taga-seat pala. Iba pa yung taga-serve ng wine lang. Special. Okay, ano pa ang mga tungkol kay French service? It has the following features. Una, French service signifies luxury. O, diba? Food is cooked or completed at a side table in front of the guest. Niluluto sa harapan nila mismo para kitang-kita kung malinis. At saka kung ano-ano yung mga pinaglalagay doon. Food is carefully brought from the kitchen to the dining room on heavy silver platters, arranged and garnished suitably, and placed on a rolling cart or trolley called gueridon. Pangatlo, small stove called recude. I searched for the recude but rescue naman yung laging lumalabas. Sige nga, kayo, subukan nyo. And then, share kung ano din yung na-search nyo sa internet tungkol dyan. It is used to keep the food warm daw. Okay, ulitin natin mag-search ulit. At magtanong-tanong din pala sa mga ibang nakakaalam dyan. And then, food is completed by cooking, deboning, slicing, and garnishing as necessary, and served to the guest. And then, food is first presented to the host by viewing, then to his guest of honor. Papakita mo daw sa host. Titingnan niya kung okay, go. Serve mo na sa mga guests. All food is served and cleared from the right side of the guest, except for butter, bread, and salad, which should be placed at the left side of the guest. So, hindi haan nga kung kompormi kayat. Ada nga talaga digijay para left, para right. Okay? Yan. Dami ba? If a party is of outstanding guests, salads are usually mixed or prepared at the salad table or on a salad cart by the captain waiter who makes a ritual on it. May art ang pagpimix sa harap nila mismo. Okay? And then, assorted pastries are presented on a large tray or from a cart with a glass cover or drawer. Service requires side tables and carts to perform it correctly. So, may side table or cart yung tinutulak nila para maganda yung pagpa-perform. Soiled dishes are cleaned only when all guests has completed their meals. Huwag kayong mag-bus out kung may kumakain pa. Hintayin yung matapos silang lahat. And then, finger bowls of warm water with rose petals or lemon slice in them are served with all finger foods such as chicken and lobsters, and at the end of the meal. Ano yan? Paghugasan ng kamay. Kasi hindi maiiwasang hawakan nila ang mga pagkain tulad ng lobster. Ano ang lobster ulit? Kape. Sa rasa. Ganun. Okay. And then bowl is placed on a doily on a small plate called an underliner and placed with a clean napkin in front of the guest. So, yung bowl, hindi ganon, hindi bare bowl na ilalagay sa mga tables. Di ba napag-aralan naman natin na lahat ng isa-serve may paglalagyan tulad ng tray, ganyan. So, si bowl, small plate daw ang paglalagyan. Called an underliner. Diba? Tapos, syempre, may kasamang napkin na pagpupunasan ng guest. Malinis na napkin. Yan. So, ano ang finger bowl? When a guest eating lobsters with his fingers suddenly wishes a sip of wine, yan, iinom daw siya ng wine, habang kumakain ng lobster, he washes his fingers before touching the glass. Alangan naman, may lobster yung kamay, tapos hawakan yung glass. An additional finger bowl is always served at the end of any complete meal in French service and is placed directly in front of a guest with French napkins. So, naghuhugas din pala sila ng kamay. No, nagkakamay din pala sila. Hindi puro kubyertos ang gamit. Pero sosyal ang paghuhugasan kasi warm water with rose petals or lemon slice in them para mabango yung paghuhugasan, hindi amoy lobster pa rin after maghugas. Okay? Next. Pangalawang type of service, the Russian service. Ano naman ang tungkol dito? Every food item is brought into the dining room on a silver platter from which it is served by the waiter to the guests' plates, which have been previously placed before the guests. All work is done by one waiter. Okay? Kung sa French, 2 waiters, sa Russian naman, 1 waiter. Ano pa yung mga root words or root phrase dyan? Brought into the dining room on a silver platter. Eto. Previously placed before the guests. Okay? Para mas maintindihan natin, tingnan natin yung ibang features. Russian service is a combination of French and American service due to the following features. Very formal and elegant. Guest is given considerable personal attention, employs the use of heavy serviceware, table setting is identical to French setup. Only one waiter is needed to serve the meal. Actually, class na pag-aralan na natin in advance yung French, Russian, and American service, diba? At sinabi natin or ginawa pa natin na sa French service may F French, di ba? So may fish plate, fish fork, fish knife. Tapos sa Russian, tanggalin mo lang yung mga F na yan. Russian na siya mula show plate, siyempre, hanggang soup bowl with underliner. And sa mga kubyertos naman, mula dinner fork hanggang soup spoon, ganun. And then sa beverage, mula water goblet hanggang champagne flute. So, ang pagkakaiba lang ni French sa Russian ay, si Russian walang F. Fish plate, fish knife, fish fork. Para mas madaling i-memorize. Okay? And then, number 6, the food is fully prepared and pre-cut in the kitchen. Okay, chafing dishes must be used for some food with direct plating of other. Soups are sometimes served from soup tureens, but in most cases, soup dishes or cups are readily filled in the kitchen, then placed before the guest. Hindi tulad sa French na halos lahat doon mo gagawin sa harap ng guest para sure sila sa kung ano ang laman ng mga pinapakain nyo sa kanila. Sa Russian, pwede daw na lagyan mo na ng soup sa kitchen, then serve mo na siya na naka-bowl with underliner, of course. Yan, dami pa. Waiter picks up the platters of food and heated plates from the kitchen and carries them to the dining room on a large tray, which he places on a side stand. May side stand din, parang si French. Hot plates are set in before the guest from right side of the guest with the waiter's right hand. Basta tandaan nyo, class, pag magsuserve kayo, yung hindi malapit sa guest ang gagamiting kamay sa pagsuserve. Kasi baka matabig nyo sila or matouch nyo sila. And bawal na bawal yon yung hawakan natin sila or masanggi natin sila. Okay? Food is served directly from the silver platter from left side of the hand, picking or dishing out the food to the hot plate of the guest. Waiter continues serving counterclockwise. Pag ganon, counter. Kung clockwise ay pag ganon, sa counterclockwise pa kontra naman. Okay? Around the table and then returns the unserved food to the kitchen. Side salads are usually plated in the pantry. Finger bowls and napkins are served with the meal. So, may finger bowls din sila. Hot rolls are offered from a cart or large basket. Soiled dishes are cleaned when all guests have completed their meal. Okay? So, wala silang gueridon sa Russian. French lang meron. Next, American service. Nakailan na tayo? Ano yung una? French, Russian, then American. Okay, ano naman si American? Si American ay less formal than French, Russian, or English and is the most prevalent style in restaurants. Mas ginagamit daw ito si American kasi it's lesser formal. Okay? Ano pang tungkol kay American? Characterized by portioning all the food on a dinner plate in the kitchen, strict attention must be observed in the equality and uniformity of plate presentation. Dapat pare-pareho para walang inggitan. Food is dished up on plates in the kitchen and placed before the customer who may want coffee served with the meals. Okay, so i-ready na sa kitchen and then serve kay customer. Kung mag-request si customer ng coffee, pwede. Except for salad and bread and butter, most of the food is placed on plate. Okay? Bakit kasi? Saan ba nilalagay si bread and butter? Si bread, syempre sa bread basket. And then, salad bowl. Tapos, si butter, sa saan ba? Sa plate din. Okay? Only one waiter serves the meal. Food is served from the left of the guest, beverage from the right, and soiled dishes are cleared from the right. Diba? This service is fast, inexpensive, and can be readily learned by non-professional waiters with a minimum of training. Kaya ito, kayang-kaya natin to, no? So, isang root word or root phrase na American service, fast, inexpensive. Hindi daw mahal. Next, American table setting. In setting up the table for an American service, place a silencer cloth or a piece of felt or foam rubber on the bare table. Sugar bowl, salt, pepper shakers, and normally an ashtray on the table for each 2 guests. 2:1. For tables of more than 6, service for every 3 persons may be sufficient. So, pag 6 sila, 2 sugar bowl, 2 salt and pepper shakers ang lalagay. Pag 9 naman, 3. 3 persons may be sufficient for every service. Some restaurants put a top cloth over the tablecloth and change only the top when the guests leaves. Before stripping a table for resetting, the waiter should always obtain a clean tablecloth. So, doble ang tablecloth. May top cloth, may tablecloth. Para pag alis ni guest, yung top cloth lang ang aalisin, pero meron na agad kapalit na clean tablecloth. Okay? o top cloth pamalit sa tinanggal na top cloth. Para laging meron siyang clean tablecloth. Okay? Place the covers on the table. This is each guest's plate, silverware, glass, and serviette. So, ang covers na sinasabi dyan ay yung plato, silverware, glass, and serviette. Covers ang tawag sa kanila. Yan na. Buffet service. Pang ano naman na to? Pang maramihan. Okay, so ano ang buffet service? We have guests select their meal from an attractive arrangement of food on long serving tables. Siguro ito yung naranasan na natin sa mga pinupuntahan nating kasal, birthday, yan. Guests either serve themselves or the dishes are ladled to their plates by the chefs standing behind the buffet tables. Or pag may work na kayo sa mga seminars, ganyan, buffet service. Service usually combines both types. Guests select and get their own relish, salad, and vegetables. Then the meat is carved to the guest by the chefs. So, ang mga pictures na yan ay kinuha ko sa mga libro kasi wala akong makitang colored sa internet na naaayon sa kung ano yung nasa libro natin. Okay, so kung gusto nyo ng mas malinaw na picture, tingnan natin yung libro pagabalik natin sa school. Kaya sana matapos na tong bagyong to at back to normal na ulit tayo. Next. Panglima, banquet service style. Kung yung number 4 ay buffet, yan naman ay banquet, no? Pero pinopronounce natin si T, hindi banquet. It's banquet. Banquet service style. Ano naman yan? Serve a group of people getting together to celebrate a special occasion of honor, special guest at an event. Serve a group of people getting together to celebrate a special occasion or honor special guests at an event. Parang siguro to party-party, ganyan. Pag halimbawa, retirement, banquet service style. Features of banquet service normally used by hotels, resorts, country clubs, casinos, and restaurants with conference rooms available for meetings or big events and gatherings. Menu, number of guests, time of service, and number of covers are preset, making this service easier to organize and schedule. So, alam na nila kung ilan ang attend. Ganun. Tapos, nire-ready na yung covers. Ano ulit yung sabi natin sa covers kanina? Yung mga plato, glasswares, flatwares, silverwares. Yan. Naka-ready na sila. Pagdating ng mga guests, uupo na lang. Naandun na. Offers a full and elaborate menu, providing a variety of choices to the guests. More area per person and more equipment are required. Compared to other services of this style, this service needs less personal attention or service as the table settings are already prepared for the guests to serve themselves. Parang sa kasal na nilagay-lagay na sa mga tables ng mga sponsors, ganyan. Waiters generally follow American table settings when fixing up the tables, but this could be modified according to the menu. Presentation of check or collection of payment is not required at the end of the meal as the banquet is paid for in advance. So, yan. Di ba sabi natin kanina, example, retirement program. Siyempre, bayad na yung kakainin ng mga guests. Kaya wala ng presentation of check sa klase ng service na ito. Next. family style service. Okay? Considered an informal version of the American service. Yun na yun, yung root word niya. Considered an informal version of the American service. Family style service. All the necessary preparations are completed in the kitchen and are then served in large bowls and on big serving dishes with attractive garnishing. Okay? Parang sa birthday, sinuserve na sa table. Diba? Large bowl. Ano yun? Nilalagay natin sa large bowl. Mga may sabaw, tinola, ganyan. And then, big serving dishes, mga pansit-pansit with attractive garnishing. Servers place the bowls and serving dishes with necessary serving flatware in the center of the table. So, may pangkuha ka na doon, may pangsandok ka na. Food is then passed around the table by the guests for them to get their fill. Pasapasahan daw, hindi yung waiter ang magpapasa. Beverages and any other dishes are also served according to the American service or as the situation requires. Pag class, wag kang tatayo tapos kukunin mo yung gusto mo. Please pass, ganyan, no? Always use the word please paki or pakipasa man dayta igado. Features of family style service does not require any special skills. Guests serve themselves, making the service faster. Servers help assist in passing dishes if they are quite heavy or if there are several guests serve. So, doon lang tutulong yung mga servers pag mabigat daw yung pinapapasa or madami ang mga guests at kailangang tumulong. If the service employs an all-you-can-eat feature, then servers must continue to fill serving containers as requested. Parang sa okasyon natin dito na pag ubos na yung igado sa table, re-refillan mo ulit. May taga-refill. No pa? When the guests are finished eating, the servers cleared the soiled dishes from the table. And then, ano yung usual na nangyayari pag may occasions tayo, lalo na pagkasal. Tapos nang kumain ang mga bisita, tinatanggal na ang mga tables and chairs sa gitna at sisingwit na, dance na. Diba? Dance party. Ano yon? Gamsa, ganyan. Next, Geridon service. Also known as cart or trolley service, as it utilizes a Geridon trolley or cart, equipped with gas burners to bring and cook the food to the dining area. The dish is partially cooked and prepared in the kitchen, then completed at the side of the guest's table. This service is ideal for those guests who have a diverse palate for food and appreciate seeing how the dish is being cooked. It is also for high-end fine dining restaurants due to the high cost of Geridon food. The Maitre d'Hotel. Na-practice na natin yan before sa school. Maitre d'Hotel or chef de rang prepares the food and is assisted by commis de rang. When complete, the dish is served to the guest from the right-hand side. Parang sa sa French service, Geridon service. Ano kayang pagkakaiba nila? Halos parehong-pareho. Okay, tingnan natin as we go along. For the features of Geridon service, requires skilled and experienced staff who knows how to fillet, carve, and flambe food. Yung flambe. Flambe ay apoy. Yung umaapoy talaga yung harap ng kawali. Ganyan. They undergo an extensive training program to ensure their expertise. Parang mas ano pa to sa French, mas mahirap pa. Though there may be a shortage in kitchen staff, hiring more servers may compensate for this. 'Di ba? Kahit daw kulang yung mga nagluluto sa kusina, kailangan mong mag-hire ng dagdag na service para sa service ng dagdag na servers para sa service na ito. Okay, yan yung sabi dyan. A special Garidon menu is prepared for the guests to choose from. It is considered a sophisticated service which provides much personal attention to guests. Guest-centered ito. Guest ang pinaka-importante dito. So, hindi pwedeng kulang ang servers sa Garidon. Yun pala yun. A low turnover is seen in the pricier Garidon menu items, though with high expenditures due to the equipment needed. Ano yung low turnover? Konti ang nag-a-avail dito. Ganun ba yun? Though with high expenditures due to the equipment needed. Due to the more personalized service, the coverage of a service person is only around 18 to 20 square feet. Thus, more servers are needed, especially in a bigger establishment. In Garidon service, an extensive training program is organized to train the employees since experience and expert servers are required. Anong kabaliktaran nito? Si family style service, di ba? No special training is required sa family style. So, yan si Garidon. Kaya siya mahal. Parang si French, konti lang ang nakaka-afford. Okay? So, malapit-lapit na. Konting-konti na lang. Appropriate utensils and equipment. Sa first column, purpose. Tapos second, Chinaware, flatware, and hollowware. For serving appetizers, ano ang kailangang Chinaware? Fish plate, plate underliner. For flatwares, we have a fish knife and a fork. Escargot, cocktail fork for seafoods cocktail. So that is escargot, escargot. Hollowware, supreme bowl for seafood cocktail. And show plate as underliner. Okay? Kunakmanan. Hindi yung mga bowl, mga knife, lagi-lagi may underliner ang mga yan. Hindi siniserve na kayo ang nakahawak doon. For soup, soup bowl with underliner, soup spoon. For the hollowware, soup tureen if soup is served Russian style. Okay? Pag hindi Russian, soup bowl. And then for salad, wooden or crystal salad bowl with underliner. Monkey dish for side salad. Flatware, salad knife and fork. And for hollowware, For hollowware, we have wooden or crystal salad bowl containers. I remove my glasses kasi it's iba yung effect sa ilaw. Naduduling ako. Okay, ulitin ko yung for salad under hollowware is not supreme bowl, it's wooden or crystal salad bowl containers. Diba? Next. Appropriate utensils and equipment. Purpose for main course naman. Ito yung may meat, may veggies, may carbs. Okay? Chinaware, dinner plates, cereal bowls for cereal, sizzling plates for sizzling dishes, and oval plates. Usually, ang oval plates, ginagamit yan sa fish. Okay, and then flatware, dinner knife and fork, steak knife, serving spoon, and fork. Hollowware, platters for serving, family ration style, scoopere for vegetables, sauce bowl as container for sauces, chafing dishes, container for hot dishes in buffet. Tingnan natin yung mga actual na mga ganyan sa school pagbalik natin. For serving bread, we have the bread plate, bread knife or buffet butter spreader, bread basket, and bread tongue. For coffee or tea, cups and saucers, of course, teaspoon. Coffee or tea pot, sugar and cream, containers. Pwede rin sugar and milk jug palang tawag doon. Milk jug. Ano pa? Service guidelines. Although styles of table service can range from those used in elegant formal dining to those appropriate to relax. Ayan. Casual meals. Customers are always entitled with courteous and knowledgeable service from servers who take pride in their work. So, kahit ano pa daw ang service na yan, elegant man, formal dining, casual meals, no. Customers are always entitled with courteous and knowledgeable service. Hindi porket family style lang yan, putyo-putyo or just, imbag lang nga, ti service tayo. No. Sabi dyan, kahit ano pa daw yan, bigay natin yung courteous and knowledgeable service from servers who take pride in their work. Diba? Hindi yung, uray ta family style ang ko nga say-saya atin uray hanakan nga kwan. Uniform mon, uray na rugit to uniform, tapos no French style. Masapol kalaba na banglo ka plancha, no. French style, family style, masapol kalaba ka plancha latatibado, nakaisam, kasya, nadalos. Nawatan? Service guidelines. Customers are always entitled with courteous and knowledgeable service from servers who take pride in their work. Diba? Who take pride, yung pinagmamalaki mo pa rin yung service mo, kahit ano pa yung klase ng service na hinihingi ng customer. Protocol na. The guest of honor, if there is one, is served first and the host last. Diba? Kung ikaw ang magbo-birthday, ikaw daw ang last na saservan. Unang-una yung guest of honor mo. Tulad ng, halimbawa, in-invite mo yung parents ng girlfriend mo. Kung si boyfriend ang may birthday, syempre sila ang uunahing saservan. Ganon. O kaya pag retirement program, mauuna yung guest of honor kung nag-invite si retiree ng guest of honor niya. Si boss niya, ganon, or tapos siya yung mahuhuli. Serve children, women, and men in that order. So, mauuna ang mga bata, mga babae, and then mahuhuli ang mga lalaki. Serve clear beverages and food from the guest's right side. Always right, except under Russian English for silver service. Malalasin mo't no anya ti iserve mo iti right, ta syempre no anya di jay where nga nasa right, yun ang i-serve mo. Tulad ng ano ba, mga beverages, sa right yan. Tapos si bread and butter, sa left yan. Okay? Clear soil dishes from the guest's right side. Kasi karamihan sa atin, right-handed, di ba? Para ma-sure na hindi natin sila matatabig. Carry flatware on a serviette or an STP or standard transport plate. Carry glassware on a beverage tray. Hindi mo hahawakan ang mga glasswares na ganun na. Kailangan lagit-lagi merong tray, beverage tray. Do not reuse flatware for a subsequent course. Diba? Isa lang. Tapos iba na naman. Wait until everyone at the table has finished a course before clearing. Diba meron nga tayong kasabihan pag dalaga at binata yung in kalun ko nampot saan to kanun nga makaasawa. So, hintayin natin matapos silang lahat bago tayo maglinis. Do not reach across a guest if you can approach from the other side. So, agrikos kan hamo nga gawaten pay laeng no adayo lang nga rudon. Agrikos kan ijay lamisaan. Baka kit di masayop na takili-kilim. Do not touch a guest and do not allow a guest to touch you. O, wag daw hahawakan si guest. Huwag ding magpahawak. Professional po ito, ang service natin. Kaya nga kayo nagfo-formal training. Try not to interrupt guests who are engaged in conversation. So, pag nag-uusap pa sila, huwag kang mag-e-excuse. Hintayin mong matapos kahit matagal. Diba? Magtiis kang tumayo doon. Serve and clear with the hand farthest from the guest. Hindi yung, kung ano yung malapit sa guest, yun ang igagalaw mo. Hindi. Yung malayo sa guest. Guidelines on etiquette. Most guests are less concerned with the techniques of service than with the manner in which they were served. Diba? Less concerned. Hindi sila masyadong maano dyan. Pinapansin. Intrusive service is annoying. O, mga nangingialam, ganyan. Mga parang medyo bastos. Annoying, intrusive. Regardless of how skilled the server is. Kahit gaano kapag kagaling mag-serve. Kung medyo bastos naman yung pag-serve mo, doon sila concern. Ayaw nila. Considerate service is both efficient and pleasant. So, considerate service. And it is likely to persuade a guest to return. Diba? Kung mabait yung server, nakasmile, approachable, babalik sila. Carry plates and drinks so that your fingers are well away from the food or rim of the glass. Naturo na yan sa inyo. Never rush the guest by bringing the courses to the table too quickly. Huwag kang magmadali, dahan-dahan lang. Kasi baka akala nila nagmamadali ka, minamadali mo silang kumain para meron na namang susunod. Hindi po ganon. Position the plate of food in front of the guest as the chef intended. Try to anticipate your guests' requests rather than simply responding to them. No, meron pa po ba kayong kailangan, ma'am, sir? Hindi yung hihintayin nyo na lang kung anong sasabihin. Wala naman silang sinasabi. Hindi ka nagtatanong, okay? So, is that all, ma'am, sir? Ganon. Take the time to groom the table before serving each course. O, wag magmadali. Serve each guest in a timely manner so that he or she does not have to make repeated requests for service. Diba? Bigay mo agad yung tubig, hindi mo hintayin, water please. Bigay mo na. Yun naman yung unang sineserve, water. Take note of any physical limitations or characteristic preferences such as left-handedness in order to make the necessary adjustments. No, kung left-handed ka, mag-practice ka ng maggamit ng right. Adjusting flatware. Another aspect of service involves adjusting the flatware to suit the service order before each course arrives and then clearing it after each course. Remove after each course is cleared and replace any that is missing or has been used. Clean flatware should be carried on a serviette or STP. Ano ulit ang STP? Standard Transport Plate. If the server notices a utensil for a preceding course on the table while placing new flatware, he or she should pick it up. Place it in the fingers holding the STP and treat it as a used utensil. Basta itong adjusting flatware class, kung ano yung kailangan ng guest, yun yung ilalagay. Kung ano yung natapos na niyang gamitin, yun yung tatanggalin. Adjusting flatware. Huwag kang maglagay ng hindi nila kailangan doon. But don't worry, pra-practicein natin yan sa school. Performance task nyo yan. Paano mag-adjust ng flatware? Manunood din tayo ng mga tutorials. Or kung gusto nyo, dahil bakasyon bumabagyo, start na kayong manood. Hindi puro ML yan o Facebook. Okay? Serving food. Place the plates in front of the customer with the right hand, while the stack of other plated food is held by the left hand behind the customer's chair. If there is an accident, the plates held on the left hand will go onto the floor rather than the customer. Diba? Mas mabuti nang babagsak yung mga gamit sa floor kaysa naman sa customer. Number 1, yung safety ng customer. Plated food should be placed uniformly so that the food items are consistently in the same position of all customers. In case there's a logo name of establishments on the plate, place at the 12 o'clock position and the meat is set on the plate at 6 o'clock. 12 o'clock sa taas, 6 o'clock sa baba ng plato habang nakaharap sa customer. Tandaan nyo yan. Serving the salad. Serve the salad plate with an underliner in front of the guest at his or her left side. Always check if the salad fork and the knife are still in place and unused. Pag ginamit na nila yung salad knife and fork, na hindi pa naman sinaserve yung salad at yung salad, anong sabi kanina? Tanggalin at palitan. No, hindi dahil ba't kasi nila ginamit? Hindi po. Tanggalin, tapos palitan ng malinis na salad fork and knife. Remember to stay at the left side of the guest using the left hand when placing an ordered item in front of the guest. Clear salad plate with underliner together with the salad fork and knife. Position at the right side of the guest. Pag kunin nyo yan si salad plate sa right. Okay? Pag magsaserve naman sa left. Serving entree or the main course. Main course na. Cleaning all dishes, clearing condiments, crumbing down, positioning dessert, spoon, and fork. Mag-crumbing down class, tanggalin yung mga bugay. Tapos, kailangan may plate. And then, ganon. This is the plate and this is the cloth. Ganon, no? Tayaan, hindi itatapon sa floor. Okay? The main course should follow within 10 minutes of first or second course, whichever is the last course served. If no appetizer is served, the entree is served within 20 minutes after the beverage are served service. para enjoyin muna nila yung appetizer at saka yung beverage or wine or kahit ano pa yan na appetizer nila. Make sure that there is a dinner fork at the left side of the guest and a dinner knife on his right side. Kasi dinner fork at dinner knife ang gagamitin sa main entree. Kung wala, bigyan nyo sila. Remove first the entree dish together with dinner fork and knife by standing at the guest's right side. Sabihin nyo, may I remove your plate, sir? Ayan, motion with the right hand towards the dish. May I remove your plate, sir? Ganon. Aha, tapos na. So, I hope may naintindihan kayo. Sabi ko nga, if you have questions, feel free to chat in our group chat and I will answer them one by one. How much did you learn na? Self-check. May instruction naman na dyan. Below is the list of characteristics of the different service styles. Identify them if it is a characteristic of American service, French service, or Russian English service. O diba nga wala pa yung banquet, mga family, Geridon. Sila lang, tatlo. In a 1/2 sheet of paper, crosswise copy the table and write the number of the characteristic in the appropriate column. No? So, tingnan na ninyo ang mga yan na-discuss na. Ano namang sasabihin ko. Tapos, pasan nyo sa kung kailan meron na tayong pasok. Ayan, yung kukopyahin ninyong table. Halimbawa, si number 10, halimbawa lang hindi ko sinasabi na ito yung sagot. A service in which the server spoons or plates portions directly onto a dish that is in front of the guest. Pag palagay nyo ay American yan, ilalagay nyo si number 10 doon under sa American. Ganon. For example, si 8, most popular service style around the world. Kung sa palagay nyo ay Russian yan, ilagay nyo ang number 8 under Russian. Okay, so that ends our lesson, serve food orders. I hope meron kayong natutunan kahit sa ganitong paraan lamang. I tried my best, Mud. So, see you. Let us pray that hindi tayo madidigra ng bagyong ito and we will see each other as soon as possible. If, for example, ma-extend na naman ang bakasyon, walang klase, kasi nga dahil sa masamang panahon, I will try to make another video lesson for our next lesson, and please po understand and let's just enjoy studying even if classes are suspended. Let's get the most out of our technology, our gadgets, and the internet. Okay, so mag-ingat po, class, and enjoy learning even if we are at the comfort of our homes. Bye! See you again. Ingat!